for Halloween.
Love
Goes
Halloween.
back. We have a spooky experiment for everybody
Well,
today.
it's one of those that will either scare the dickens out of somebody, or they'll just look at it and go, that is just so gross, or whatever it is. And we never get things that you can do at the office. So not only are we doing it today, but we have our friends in the newsroom that are going to get to kind of follow along with us as well. And so what most people don't know is that NASA, do you have problems with needles? You don't like needles, do you?
I hate needles.
So NASA, they invented this liquid here that'll actually bring blood to the surface. So you have to be careful not to pass out. Okay, so here, stand over here like this. And if you're looking here, just squirt it on your hand like this. So get that liquid and squirt it all over your hand, all over your hand. And now, oh, can you feel passing out happening?
I'm getting close.
Okay, now, you ready to see the yellow paper in front of us?
Yes.
All right, don't take your eyes off the yellow paper. 1, 2, 3, slap it. Nice, and pull your hand up. Oh. See, I told you that it's just, look at this, it's disgusting. Would you look at this? Just, but if you look at your hand, the weird thing is there's no blood on your hand.
It's totally clear.
See, and here's the problem. All right, so here's the secret. Ready? The secret is that the secret stuff inside here is ammonia.
Wait, are my hands...
Yes, see, they smell household fresh now. See, when you smell your hands, they're household fresh, number one. And number two, this is the secret here, and so have fun at the office today trying to find it. This is goldenrod paper. So you just go to the regular office supply store and you find goldenrod paper. Just like litmus paper, goldenrod paper is an acid-base indicator. So if there's an acid or a base, it changes color. So this is starting to change back colorless because of the carbon dioxide. That's an acid. So watch this. We now cover it, and so if you just squirt it on there like this, you can see how it changes color. So all we're simply doing is putting our hand on it like this. So when you cover your hand like this, and just don't squirt over it. So when you're here like this, and then you slap, and you've got it. Doesn't that look fantastic?
Yes.
But here's something else that's kind of fun to do, and I gave our people in the newsroom some of the looks as well. See, they've got some messages. So I just took candle wax, and I wrote a little message on here. You can't really see it, so now here, develop your message. There you go. So there's a little 9 news. I don't know if that's mom or if that's wow. I don't know what. So I'll say hi to mom, or we simply say wow to everybody else that's out there, and that's kind of how that whole thing works. Is that fun?
That's very cool,
So it's the bleeding hand. It's just using goldenrod. Don't buy a ream of goldenrod until you test it out. So I suggest that you go to the office supply place
with your ammonia
and you just start spraying. Whatever changes color, buy that ream of paper, and you will be a hit at the office. All right.
Thank you so much, Steve.
You're
That's
welcome.
so ghoulishly fun this morning. I love it.
Gosh, the kids will go, oh, and that's how it goes. So.
Perfect.
Thank you.